to be determined. The coronavirus death toll is continuing to rise in China right now. Many Chinese Purdue students are feeling the effect. Nearly 135 students call Wuhan, China home. News 18's Micah Upshot tells us what students are doing to help their loved ones overseas.
Pray for Wuhan, pray for China.
As the coronavirus continues spreading beyond the borders of Wuhan, Purdue University students and faculty like Chen Song can't help but worry.
Those doctors and nurses, they are really fighting their lives to save those patients.
Students are banding together to help their loved ones back home. According to Song, the local Chinese market recently sold out of medical face masks because of so many students buying and shipping them to China.
Because there are so many patients there, like they are really in shortage of the masks and all the other medical equipment.
Song is from Hufei, China, just 3 hours from Wuhan. Instead of going home for the university's winter break, her parents came here. Unfortunately, they're returning home soon where 16 people have tested positive for the virus.
Somewhat worried, yes, to some degrees. But you know, everybody needs to work, right? Like the society cannot just stop running because of coronavirus.
As Chinese students on campus watch the news from overseas, they find comfort in knowing it's not spreading nearly as fast here.
But it's still, you know, so much less. And so I don't think they are really worried about their own safety, but I would say they are more worried about their families in China.
The risk here in West Lafayette is minimal, if not almost nil. We are very well on top of it, and we're very careful to monitor and follow the guidelines from the CDC.
In West Lafayette, Micah Upshaw, News 18.
Purdue says there are 0 reported cases at this time, but health leaders have an emergency plan in place. You can find that on our website right now at